Good morning, everybody. We have started a new month. Can you believe it? We finished March and we finished April, and now we are in the month of May. The month of May, my friends. So we're going to start all over again with our numbers. We're going to start brand new with our patterns. So I'm very, very excited. Let's start with our good morning song. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, you guys. So first, let's talk about what pattern we're going to do. This month, the pattern that Miss Sarah is going to do is colors. So each day, we're going to do a pattern color. The first color that we're going to do, I'll draw it up here, is yellow. Yellow. Our next color is green. And then our third color in our pattern will be pink. So our pattern is yellow, green, pink. All right, let's get started. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. We're starting over for our month, so we have to start. What number do we start counting with? I heard you. You're right, the number 1. So Miss Sarah is going to put the number 1 in the box. And our very first color for our pattern is yellow. So Miss Sarah is going to color the box yellow. Awesome. Are you guys ready to say the date? Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Now if you look closely at our calendar, you can see that there's cakes on our calendar because we have birthdays this month. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is Miss Sarah's birthday, and later next week we have Natalia's birthday. So I'm very excited that we get to celebrate our birthdays this month. Now let's do our days of the week song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Ooh, I think Miss Sarah picked a new song. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Very good. Now let's count how many days there are in a week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 days in the week. Today is our last school day of the week. And then we have Saturday and Sunday, which are the weekend. Let's quickly talk about our activities for today. Today there are songs linked on the lesson plan to sing. Miss Santa wrote these for us about CVC words and practicing rhyming. We're also going to have the students write their name today. It's very important that when they're writing their name, they're doing it on their own. For math today, it's just 10 minutes of IXL if you have access to it. Just pick whatever objective your student has not done yet and you can help them, or you can go back and have them complete an objective they've already done for review. For science and social studies today, we have the Row Your Boat Down the Amazon River song that we sing with Miss Inseta. And for recess today, we're going to do a quiet time activity just for 10 minutes. Head down, have your child color, play soft music. It's just a time to really decompress and relax. And for social emotional, talk with your child about what green choices are at your house. So green choices are positive choices, using an inside voice, using their manner, saying please and thank you, not hurting anybody, listening to the directions. So talk with your child about what green choices are at your house. Happy Friday, everybody. Me and Miss Lily wanted to talk with you guys, and we're going to send out a reminder on the app Remind. From now on going forward, we will mainly be communicating teaching resources and teaching lessons and our invites all through your child's Google email and Google Classroom. It is important that you check the Google Classroom and the Google email at least once a day. Check their email for invites and updates, and the Google Classroom for resources and other activities that they may be doing. See you guys later.